Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox brighter. First, launch Roblox and join any game. Once inside, press the Escape key on your keyboard to open the in-game menu. From there, navigate to the Settings tab. You'll find an option called Graphics Mode. Change this from automatic to manual. This gives you more control over the visual fidelity and brightness of your game experience. Then, increase the graphics quality slider to a higher setting. Continuing from the previous step, once your graphics mode is set to manual, you can fine-tune the graphics quality slider. For the brightest possible experience, push this slider all the way to its maximum value, typically 10. This setting directly influences the quality of textures, shadows, and most importantly, the overall lighting in the game world. Higher quality means more detailed and often brighter environments. Remember to restart Roblox after adjusting these settings to ensure they take full effect. Beyond Roblox's in-game options, your computer's display settings play a crucial role. Right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings or access your graphics card control panel, like NVIDIA or AMD. Look for options related to brightness, contrast, and gamma. Gradually increase your monitor's brightness to a comfortable level. You might also experiment with the contrast settings to make colors pop and dark areas appear less dim, further enhancing the perceived brightness of Roblox. If Roblox still isn't bright enough, consider a few troubleshooting steps. First, ensure your graphics drivers are updated to the latest version, as outdated drivers can sometimes cause display issues. Also, check for any third-party applications that might be altering your screen's color or brightness profiles. Finally, remember that some Roblox games are designed with specific lighting, and certain areas might be intentionally dark. Always save your changes and restart Roblox to see the full effect of your adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.